Friends, here we are talking about environment setup for hosted LLMs. See, so far we have seen how to use local LLMs. So firstly, can we use LLMs without installing them locally? Yes, with the help of hosted LLMs. We can use powerful AI models without installing or managing them on our own computers or servers. We simply access them over the internet using REST APIs. So, what are hosted LLMs? We already know, but once again, just I am giving the definition. That is, hosted LLMs are large language models that are hosted and managed by AI providers or cloud AI platforms. So here, instead of running the models on our own computers or servers, we access them over the internet using REST APIs. So managing part will be taken care by AI providers or cloud AI platforms. Okay, but when should we use hosted LLMs? Very simple. Choose hosted LLMs when you want to focus on building AI applications rather than managing servers, GPUs, storage, and LLM deployments. But be clear, if your organization has strict data privacy or compliance requirements, then local LLMs may be the better choice. And hosted LLMs are offered by various AI providers and also cloud AI platforms. Now let me list some of the AI providers from where we get hosted LLMs. See, these are some of the AI providers from which we can get LLMs, hosted LLMs. Same way, suppose if we go with cloud AI platforms, these are some of the cloud AI platforms from which you can get hosted LLMs. And here, to use hosted LLMs in our AI applications, we typically need an account with the AI provider or cloud AI platforms. And there we have to generate an API key or we have to get access credentials. And finally, we have to call the hosted LLM through its REST API from our AI application using API keys or access credentials. And here you have to remember some points. They are: AI providers typically use API keys to access hosted LLMs. And cloud AI platforms typically use cloud specific access credentials such as IAM credentials or access keys to authenticate and access hosted LLMs. And hosted LLMs are generally paid services. However, some AI providers offer free tiers or trial credits for learning, testing, and development. And in this course, we will use Groq as our hosted LLM provider because it offers a free usage tier. And in our next video, we will see about Groq environment setup. Okay, thank you.